blog post come up in my feed. It's called Poverty Rates by U.S. State. So I opened it up, and it has a pretty interesting infographic here. And because we're in election season, I wanted to see which states were Republican and which were Democrat. And I wanted to see that by poverty level. So I was looking for where I could find this data, and right down here it says the U.S. Census Bureau. So let's now this infographic doesn't say what year the data is from. I don't think. Well, it says 2022. Okay. Oh, it's right here. Oops. So here's the data. So what I need to do is I need to go through here and I need to extract the data for the states. So let me try that real quick. Not yet. Okay. So we have this table, and so I have the states and I have percents. So what I did was I copied this, took a screenshot, open Google Keep, pasted my screenshot in, and then I waited for it to load. So right here it's loading. Grab the text. Okay, now I have a list of the states. Now I'm gonna delete this. Okay, now what I did next, no. Okay, what I did next was I copied the percent. So this column, that first figure is for the United States as a whole. And I don't want that. Looking good. Okay, so let's grab the image text and let's see how it pasted it in.
I need to clean this up a little bit.
Okay, now I can copy and paste. I can copy and paste this into my Excel file. And I'm not going to worry about the formatting yet. Let's just get these in. Okay, now I also want to have a list of what if they're Democrat or Republican. So I'm going to, I found this website, How Red or Blue Is Your State. And this has this data, so I'm going to use it. Okay, now I need to do a little so now I need to manually put these in with and match them to the correct state. So be right back. To get rid of this formatting, I'm just gonna go here, click on format, and then clear formatting. Okay, series. First, we're going to filter these, and I'm just gonna make it so that all Democrat are in order and all Republican are in order. And now I'm going to take this column. I'm gonna move it to the side. We're not going to need this. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to make a chart. And because it's already filtered, I don't need to okay, looking kind of good. Still don't have my series and I know what I did wrong. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to separate these out. So okay, so I'm going to delete this, and for these values I'm just going to move them over here. So now they're in two different columns. And now if I take this data and make a chart out of it, now I have everything in one chart, and from here I can change it how I want, somewhat. So I can now change the thickness of the line up to 8 only. Stretch it out. So now we can kind of see a little bit better the differences between the states.